economical. This is the one menstrual cup, the regular one. And hey people, Tashlek everyone, and welcome back to my channel. First of all, it feels good to be back after a long time. I know I have taken a sabbatical time for myself, probably because of which you haven't seen me on my YouTube channel for a very long time. Nonetheless, I'm here today, and I'm gonna talk about today's topic, which I hope you all have understood, and also it is going to be a little bit intimate. So yeah, I'm gonna talk about a menstruation and also a kind of tools which is better compared to the sanitary pad, and I'm going to share my own experience with these and some amount of knowledge which I hope it will be helpful for you, because it did for me. And if you're new to my channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe, like this video, and yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna talk about is using a tool which is helpful for me, and I had been using this tool for a couple of years, is tampon. I have switched from sanitary pad to tampons a couple of years back, and it was suggested to me by one of my friend, which was very helpful honestly, because I was having irritation while using a sanitary pad, and also it can create a lot of discomfort, and especially when you are traveling, when you do not find a restroom, proper restroom, it can create a lot of messy, and for me it is very uncomfortable honestly. So the tampons which I have been using in a couple of years is this brand. It's called Silk Touch, and this is this is the one, and it is very soft, very helpful, and clean. It doesn't give you irritation if you use it in appropriate manner. It comes in a two size. One is for the normal, and the second one is the heavy one. So it comes in a two size, as I mentioned. So this is the regular one, and this is the heavy one. So probably I use the heavy because the regular doesn't go with me. You can choose as per your menstrual period, and also the consistency and the amount of period which you used to have. You can go with any of these as per your preference. And the tips I'm gonna say is that before using any tampons, you should have a bit of knowledge about this. You can also ask the people who have used this for a very long time. So for now, I'm giving you the info and the knowledge is that it will give you a slight pain when you try to use it for the first time, but it is absolutely fine. You do not lose your virginity because of this tampon. So you can do a lot of research if you want. It is safe. The only thing is you have to maintain a bit of a hygiene before using it. One of the big major advantage of using this is that, especially while traveling, you do not find a proper restroom or toilet, you can just flush it off. You do not have to find a disposal dustbin or anything, so you can just flush it off, and it is so easy. You can change it also after that, and this is absolutely good to go with me, and I prefer these tampons over sanitary pad all the time. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna talk about is measuring menstrual cup, which is very popular nowadays. Most of the women have switched from tampons to this menstrual cup sorry. And yeah, the brand which I have purchased is Sirona. This one is absolutely new. I haven't used this. It comes like this, and I purchased this from Nykaa. Though it's an absolutely new one, and yeah, it comes like this. So before ordering such menstrual cup, you need to have knowledge about the size which you prefer according to your body size, and it comes in a small, medium and a large, and I hope they also have this extra large if you wanted to go and check out on their website. It is also available on the medical store, I guess, but very few, so make sure you just check before ordering it. And it comes like this. For me, I ordered the small size, and let's see how it works, but I haven't used this for a very long time because the tampons does all the work for me. The biggest advantage of using this is you will not have even certain amount of discomfort while using this. Sometimes you will not even feel that you are having period, because this is so safe, and it is reusable, where such as in case of sanitary pad or tampons, you have to just flush it, or either you have to find a disposal. In this case, all you need to do is just rinse the amount of period. You can reinsert it after using this. So I will tell you how to use it, because for me it took days to learn how to use this cup in an appropriate manner. It comes like this, and all you need to do is you need to bend this little bit, yeah, like this way, and you need to insert it into your vagina, and at some point you will feel that this will be left outside, but it will be very minimal visible. You will not feel that you are wearing this measuring cup. Also, the drawback is if you do not use it in a right direction, sometimes it might give you a little bit of irritation, which is very discomfort at certain level, and you should avoid it for to have a good day. After removing it, it has a certain amount of measurement. It has 2.5 ml until okay, this is 7.5 ml until 15 ml. I hope you can see it, or else if you purchase it, you can just have a look from the from your own after purchasing it. And it has a 7.5 ml to 15 ml, so you can just all your period, it will be collected in this. It collects your period for a couple of hours, I would say 4 to 5 hours for me at least, because where in case of sanitary pad you have to change it for 2 to 3 hours, every 2 to 3 hours, and this is absolutely good to go with. Compared to that, one more thing, when you're using this, always keep panty liner, and sometimes if it overflows, and in certain certain situation where you do not get a time, especially for the nurses, because they have been they have to work for a couple of hours, and sometimes they don't even have a time for pee. So in case of that, this is very good and helpful. And the most amazing part is when you try to poop, or when you do another things, it doesn't bother you at all, whereas in case of pad you have to remove it every time. So this is good to go with in case of everything. And yeah, while removing it, all you need to do is just, this will be, as I mentioned, this will be displayed outside, so you have to just okay, I'm gonna give you the demo. So this is suppose this is your vagina. All you need to do is just try to pull it in a left right manner. So all you need to do this way, cup will be displayed. So in that case, you will reach your finger on top of this and just bend it, and you can remove it very easily. So this is how you use it, and I hope you have understood the process of using this measuring cup. And it is very helpful, honestly guys, because I have been using this for a couple of years back. It is very safe to use, and also they have they claim that you can use this over a years without wasting your money on sanitary pad. It is also safe to use. They say that this menstrual cup, it holds your period for 8 10 hours of protection. It is also economical. You do not have to find a place to dispose your sanitary pad all the time. This is absolutely good to go, and you can use this on a regular basis. It is very, very light. Guys, one more thing I wanted to talk about this cup is that you have to obviously wash your hand very clearly, because you are using it inside out every 5 hours, or depends on your consistency of period. So you have to do a proper hand washing before this, which is very important, because you're touching the inner area of this cup, which goes inside you, and if you do not maintain a good hygiene, so it might create you infection. So all these are the minor things which you have to take care of. Otherwise, it is very helpful, and this is the topic, guys, today. And if you have any query about using things, you can just leave your question in the description box, and I hope I can answer all of your question. And also, yeah, guys, so this is it for today's topic. So one of the major reason why I came up with this content today is that I think that it is the time where we should discuss things like this, and also it is a God gifted, and we all know, we have been through it, but still some people feel shy to speak about it in the public domain, which is not okay. So yeah, guys, if this is the fact, then we should accept it. And also, I thought with my own experience, since I have been using these substitutes for a very long time, I hope people who are having a less knowledge about this will gain a certain amount of information from this. So that is the reason why I came up with this content today. So guys, this is for today's topic, and I hope it is helpful for you, and you have gained knowledge from this content today. I'm also planning to come up with more interesting content in my upcoming video. So if you don't want to miss that, then don't forget to hit the subscribe and like this video. So yeah, guys, this is it for today, and I love you guys for showering all your love, because though I haven't been using this YouTube channel for a very long time, there are people who are following my channel and subscribing it. I am very grateful for them, and thank you so much for watching today's video, and I love you guys. Thank you. Bye.